Okay, Ohio and Minnesota beef is Ohio. This is how it is. Ohio niggas and Minnesota niggas are beefing. Just because of the basketball tournament that happened in 2004, Ohio niggas lost the games. After they lost the games, this is what happened. All them Ohio niggas was in. All the Minnesota niggas came to Ohio. Atlanta niggas was in Ohio. Boston niggas, everybody was in Ohio. So these niggas, Ohio niggas, mataqaana gabdhahooda, them females from Ohio was feeling the out of town niggas. The Ohio Somali girls was feeling all them out of town niggas, you know. So them Ohio niggas got mad. Waxay arkeen naago niggas oo maanta soo baxay just because all these out of town niggas baa jooga magaalada. Gamekay soo daawanayaan. And then they trying to fuck with the out of town niggas. So them niggas got mad. As soon as the game was over, there was this little after party. It was the 2004 summer. It was this little after party that everybody went to. And then these Ohio niggas came down there with fucking guns and baseball bats and all that shit. Wallahi, billah, that was some crazy shit. That was some crazy shit, man. Damn, niggas came down there with baseball bats and shit, trying to shoot niggas. Yeah, that's why all the other out of town niggas left. They all left and shit, and then never came back. So that's why all them, yeah, man. No. Ohio niggas were bitches. Wallahi, billah. Bottom line, Ohio niggas, all they do is just talk shit, but they can't do shit. How the fuck are baseball baad ugu soo qaadanaysaan other niggas? Waa ogtihiin, waa ka badan tihiin other niggas, you know. It was like only 5 states down there. It was Atlanta, Boston, Minnesota, Toronto, iyo maxay ahayd iyo Arizona. Them 5 niggas, yo, basically everybody in fucking what you call all the Ohio motherfuckers. Waxaa la soo kaxaystay magaalada dhan xitaa islaami odayaasha waa soo urursaday aabihiin was ruux nacsanaaniyo. That's why this Islam oo nooga sheekeynaysa meel waxay tiri warin Ohio baa aaday ayada iyo cunugeeda. They was driving a rental car ay ku qoran tahay Minnesota in the plate number. This Ohio niggas start following her. Way iska soo dabagaleen islaamihii iyo waa islaamo badan hadda waa la iska soo dabagalay. Islaami baa la waafsanaya just because they was from Minnesota. Bitch ass Ohio niggas, man. War hooyadan wase is adkeeyanayo nimanka iska celiya islaamaha iyo naagaha iska dhaaf aabihiin wase